Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make riced cauliflower using a gadget that you already have in your kitchen. If you're trying to lose weight naturally and safely, one of the things that you need to do is to include a lot of vegetables in your diet, especially vegetables that are high in fiber. Cauliflower fits the bill, and if you love your regular refined rice, then rice cauliflower will be an alternative for you because you can use it in the same way that you use regular rice, except that it is healthier, it is lower in calories, and it is absolutely delicious. So to make our rice cauliflower, you need a cauliflower head. You're gonna go ahead and wash the cauliflower head and then carefully remove the extra leaves and then the stems, and cut the cauliflower florets into big pieces, big chunks. We're going to be using a gadget that most people already have in their kitchens, and that is the box grater to make the riced cauliflower. We're going to use the shred side of your box grater, the side that you would maybe use to shred cheese or something like that. That's what we are going to use. You can absolutely also use a food processor to make your riced cauliflower, but I wanted to just show you using a tool that most people already have or that they can afford very easily. So just grab your grater and then shred your cauliflower, and that will make riced cauliflower. Please watch your fingers when you do this, guys. If this video is adding value to you, don't forget to click on that thumbs up button and subscribe for more wellness and weight loss videos. And here is our finished product, riced cauliflower. You can also buy the cauliflower already riced from most grocery stores. They have it in the freezers, but it's going to cost you a lot of money. You can very easily make some for yourself at home and even freeze it